In this video, we will learn how to calculate relative frequencies in a contingency table. A sample of 245 adults is selected. The adults are classified according to their voter registration status and their preferred source of current events information. The results are given in the contingency table below. The question is the following. Among the adults in a sample who prefer to obtain their information through radio, what is the relative frequency of those who are registered to vote? As you can see, we have a table that describes same people using two categories, two variables. Variable 1, are these people registered to vote or not registered to vote? Variable number 2, how do they prefer to get current news? Through television, newspapers, radio, or internet sites. The question specifically says that we need to look among the adults in a sample who prefer to obtain their information through radio. So we are going to only look at people in this category, those who prefer to get their news through radio. And then we want to know what is the relative frequency of those of them who are registered to vote. So I'm looking at only those who are in the category of getting news through radio and registered to vote, 27 of them, out of all those adults who prefer to get their information through the radio. So 27 out of 49 total, and 49 comes from combining the two categories, registered and not registered to vote, together. 27 out of 49 yields 55/100th when rounded to 2 decimal places. Example number 2. A sample of 319 people is selected. The people sampled are classified according to their place of residence and the highest educational degree that they have earned. The results are given in the contingency table below. Again, we have two variables. Variable 1, where do they live? And there are 3 choices. Variable number 2, highest degree earned, and there are 4 choices. Question, what is the relative frequency of people in a sample whose place of residence is suburban? So right here, I'm looking at this row only. And those also at the same time who have an advanced degree. So we want to have a group of people who live in suburban area and have advanced degree. There are 22 people in both of these categories or under both variables. So we look at 22 people out of 319 total number of people, and that yields 700th as the result. Here's our last example. A sample of 348 students at a particular university was taken. The students were classified according to their major and their gender. The results are given in the contingency table below. We have 2 variables, gender, male or female, and major. There are 5 majors listed. What is the relative frequency of mathematics majors in the sample? I am interested in all math majors. That's why I'm going to combine 43 and 31 together. And that gives me a total of 74 out of 348 students. And that results in 2100th rounded to 2 decimal places.